This is an introduction video for 3-phase LCD servo control card. So we have got two PCBs. One is the main board, which has got here both display as well as the measurement circuits. The second PCB is the TRIAC PCB for motor control. So we'll just get to the connectors availability in the PCB. So the first, you've got a 2-pin PPT, which is for the contactor control. This is a series switch to be connected to the contactor coil. Next, you've got a 2-pin CPU pin for power supply of the PCB basically, and you have to connect a 230 bar 15 volt 500 milliamps transformer to this point. Next, you have got a 4-pin connector. So the connection goes like, the first pin is neutral, which is adjacent to the power supply pin. The next second pin of the 4-pin is R phase input. The third pin is the Y phase input, and the last one is the B phase input, which is to be taken directly from the input supply. Next, you have got a 3-pin connector. The first pin is R phase output, the second one is Y phase output, and the last one is B phase output. This is to be taken from the contactor input or variac output. So on the other side, you can see a 4-pin CPU pin. So this pin is for the CT connection. The first pin of the connector is the common point, so which we'll discuss later what it is. Next is R phase CT input, Y phase CT input, and the last one is B phase CT input. So you can see a switch here. So the purpose of the switch is to toggle between set mode and run mode. So that again we'll see later. So now you can see a 7-pin RMC connector. So this connector is the bridge between your motor control and the actual main board.